You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, which is French for angina pectoris. This is how we say it in French, and also in Canada, this is the name of quite a popular rock duo from Canada, Quebec, so the French-speaking part of Quebec. Angine de Poitrine is the French pronunciation. Angine de Poitrine. Angine de Poitrine. That's the French pronunciation. In English, it's easy to say. Angine de Poitrine. Angine de Poitrine, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.